How you doing?
Hey.
Justin, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
This is our bus, Serenity Now. We got a car hauler in the back here. We can raise and lower our bed, and we can put pretty much anything else we want. We could use for storage, or put a four-wheeler back there, bicycles, whatever we want.
Sure.
That's pretty much about it, I guess.
Yeah, no, I like how you made the whole back end. I've seen somebody else had one. I think the guy I told you about that had the Jeep thing. I think his whole thing raised up, whole back end raised up.
Okay, that way, yeah.
So.
Yeah, we wanted ours self-contained so that we were able to use it for other storage purposes, or basically you got a 16-foot box truck if you want it.
Sure.
You got it. A lot easier to use.
Okay. Welcome. See the other
most of our unit is all built like a camper, so kind of how we set up everything. It's not as pretty as some of the nicer units, but we have all our tanks outside, but we have access for washing up and regular water just like you would in a camper, and got a furnace.
So I want to put a quick connect in and get a decent grill.
Oh yeah, it's nice. I mean, we're literally cooking some ribs right now.
Nice.
But
I knew there was a reason I was getting hungry.
But we have a regular water heater, a furnace, we got a regular refrigerator just like a camper unit. We got some nice LP tanks underneath, and we kind of kept some of the bus the same just because it's still a bus. We're keeping the door on for now, but you're welcome to walk up inside if you want. We got the lights on. And
well, you can show me around.
all right, sure. Basically, again, we got just like a regular camper. I'm going to turn the air conditioning off because it's probably going to be pretty loud in there. But we got our regular microwave, regular RV unit. Yeah. We got lots of cabinet space for down the whole way. We got down the whole side here. They're all the same. On here we got a nice projector unit.
Nice.
We took basically a sleeper berth curtain across to keep the cool air back here, and we also can hang our projector. We got a screen we can hang right from that post up there.
Oh, okay.
So it's pretty cool. And then we got just a regular RV oven, nice RV sink, and then back here we'll have to switch places. Back here we have just the regular toilet, and we have a bed back there, which we can raise and lower.
Yeah, I can see the frame here.
We got storage underneath, which we got it all blocked off with insulation right now, but nice cabinet for lots of space in there.
I do like the idea of raising the bed to be able to pull the cars in and all that. Yeah,
it's pretty nice. We're pretty happy with it. It took a long time, and it's still a work in progress.
Well, I keep saying on all these videos that Skoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Right.
So
that makes sense.
Yeah.
And we got our Festivus pole to keep with the Seinfeld theme.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
That's about it. No problem. Oh. Thanks for stopping by.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.